Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your POCO F7. So first, what you guys want to do is check your headphones. So try and test them with another device to make sure that they're working, and try and inspect your USB-C port if you're using an adapter. If you're not using an adapter, then what you guys can do is go over to the settings, and now in those settings, go to Bluetooth. Now make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled for a couple of seconds. Then what you guys can do is disable it, and here enable it back again. And now try and see if your headphones are detected. If not, then you guys can also try and repair the device if it was already paired, and you can try again. So if that didn't work, then what you guys can do is restart the phone. So hold the power button and the volume up button at the same time. Now scroll down to reboot and let go with your finger. And now our phone is restarting, so I'll see you guys once the phone is restarted completely. So now after restarting your device, what you guys can do is try another pair of headphones. So not a device, but a pair of headphones. Basically try a different pair to rule out any issues with your original ones. And if the another pair works and your first one does not, then it may be the issue with your headphones in the first place. So now what you guys can do is check for software updates, because they can fix a lot of issues, including the headphones not being detected. So go to settings, now select about phone and click HyperOS. Now as you guys can see, I do not have any updates available, but if you will have an update available, then you will see a big alert here that you need, or you simply should update your software. So there's no chance you will miss an update, so make sure to check for any updates. If you do not have ones, then wait for another one, and if you do have one, then it might fix the issue. Now what you guys can do is check for hardware issues, and I cannot help you with that. Basically, I would consider visiting a service center for a checkup on your device to see either the Bluetooth and the charging port for any adapters, or check your adapter first. So that'd be it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.